this video, I'll share 4 marketing tips that changed my business forever. When I started my business, I didn't have a mentor. Sure, I could watch YouTube videos, buy online courses, join masterminds, and hire coaches and consultants, but I live in a third world country, and here we don't have the Frank Kerns and the Dan Locks. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm in the movie Scarface, like Tony Montana. I come from the gutter, and the only thing I have in my world is my word and my boss, and I don't break them. And I had to learn business on my own. I had to learn marketing on my own because there wasn't anybody like a mentor that would make me fix my mistakes or somebody who would show me the way. So the 4 marketing tips I'll share come from me living in a harsh environment, and those 4 tips will be pretty unique. The first marketing tip that changed my business forever is people buy from people they like and trust. I knew that, but I never did it for my own business. The question was, that makes sense, but how do I do it? For me, I was afraid of the attention on the internet. I was afraid of the fame. I wanted to be the guy on the back end, but I had many campaigns that hit 7 figures, but nobody knew about me. I knew I needed to put my name out there to grow this business to the next level. That's why I started to share content on social media. I mainly publish videos, and I know that some people will hate my accent and won't watch my videos, but I also know that a small majority will get inspired by my stories. The best way to build trust for my business is to share my vulnerable stories and make videos that provide good educational content. I make YouTube videos with the idea that people would trust me and they would decide to use my services. I think that's the first step of every successful marketing strategy, building trust. The second marketing tip that changed my business forever is it's human to sell. Let me explain. When I was selling my services, I felt like I was making money without a reason. It's called imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is when you doubt your abilities to complete a job and you feel like a fraud. And that's exactly how I felt. I was going on Zoom calls with potential clients, and in some cases, I knew I could help them, but I didn't close some of the deals because I felt like a fraud. But I had a call with a lady once, and when I refused to take her as a client, she got really mad because she knew I was the only one who could help her. That's when I realized that those people needed my service. If I don't sell them stuff, they cannot fix the problem they have. I was killing the progress of my potential clients because I wasn't selling them stuff, if this makes sense. That's why I realized that I needed to sell. It's human to sell. It's human to sell because people love buying stuff. The third marketing tip that changed my business is the power of urgency. In my marketing career, I have run many marketing campaigns. One of the elements that every successful marketing campaign has in common is urgency. Urgency gives a reason why people need to buy today. When I design a marketing campaign, I always ask myself, how can we create urgency here? Because without urgency, people won't buy. They'll say, oh, I can buy this product tomorrow or next week, and they'll delay the purchase. That's just human nature. To trick people into buying your products, give them a deadline. For example, this offer is only available until January 1st. It's kind of like Black Friday. Everybody is excited about Black Friday because people know they'll get good deals. The deals will be available only until Black Friday. Once Black Friday is over, the deals are gone and everybody is spending money like crazy because there is urgency. Next, the fourth marketing tip I'm going to share here has to do with longevity in business. Business is all about longevity. Let me explain. When I started my business, I tried all the money-making schemes on the internet. I would set up dropshipping stores and try sell shady products. But all those early business endeavors failed miserably because I only did them to get quick results. When I wanted quick results, I would work long hours, but I would burn out super quickly. I would get tired and then I would quit. Things changed for me when I started optimizing for longevity. Right now, I don't care if a project will take me 1 year or 5 years. I know my competitors have been in business for long periods, so I optimize for longevity. I want to be consistent. I ask myself, how can I do this for 10 years without burning out? How can I do this for 10 years without quitting? Because I know the longer I stay in business, the more money I make. And to drive this point home, I will give you an example. When I started optimizing for longevity, my thinking also started shifting. Now it's all about long-term thinking. I think in 5 to 10 years chunk. If I had to answer the question, what's the best thing I could do for my business in the next 10 years? The answer would be to build a YouTube channel. And I know if I want quick results in my YouTube journey, I'll make 10 videos and I'll quit because I'll burn out. That's why I optimize for longevity. I commit to uploading 2 videos per week for the next 5 to 10 years. I'll try to make each video better than the previous one, and that's the only commitment I make. Longevity is not about results, but it's more about how can I do one thing consistently without sacrificing my health and personal life. Longevity is all about the process, and this changes the game for me. Now, those were the 4 marketing tips that changed my business forever. If you run an online business and you want to generate more sales, please check out my free YouTube ads case study where I'll show you how I generate 22K per month using YouTube ads for a product that was banned on Facebook. My name is Nico. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll talk to you soon.